Beautiful 183-acre poultry farm located in Starke, Florida for sale, right on State Road 100. It's 183 acres, zoned AG2, which is agricultural and residential use. It's near the intersection of County Road 18 and State Road 100. This property is and has been used as an agricultural site, a poultry farm, a pasture farm, and a tree farm. The property is composed of 4 tax parcels in a single zoning district. There are 4 chicken houses, 1 gorgeous brick 4-bed, 3-bath home with a fireplace. There's horse stables, there's equipment sheds. The site is approximately 60% hardwood and pines, and approximately 40% is cleared pasture lands. And it's listed at $3.5 million, and that includes the income-producing chicken business. There are 4 chicken houses. There's 1 front house, and then there's 3 regular chicken houses, or they're free-range houses, actually. We'll get to see those in a bit. But as you can see, the property is unbelievable. Over to the right, there's the chicken houses over there. And each house comes with the hoppers. You can have plenty of cattle on this property as well. You can have plenty of horses. In the there's 4 horse stables here currently, and right in front of us is the beautiful brick house. It's got a oversized 1-car garage. You could get 2 cars in there, and it's got a fireplace that goes to both rooms. It goes to a den, and it also goes to the formal living room. So right back here are the horse stables, and the property is it's primarily mostly fenced in. Head over to the chicken houses. Back up a bit. I mean, this property is unbelievable. It's just ready to go. If you are interested in having a poultry business, or just someone that wants a house in pure and utter seclusion. If you'd like more information, you can email me through YouTube or give me a call at 321-604-1151. Be glad to tell you more about the property. We're going to head over now to the chicken houses and put our Wrangler here in the 4-wheel. Plenty of storage space for your farm supplies, plenty of room for horses and cattle. Here's another storage spot for your tractors and farm supplies. Now these first 3 houses here, these are the free-range houses. And the chickens, they're taken in as little babies, and then let's just go. Well, we're going to go into I believe this house here actually there's one over where we can see the free-range chickens. These two right now. And right here for the first two free-range houses, they each have one hopper each. And then the front house has two hoppers for that. So in the free-range houses, the chickens are taken in as babies, and we raise them, and they grow up, and we pretty much sell them so that they're able to lay eggs at another facility. Right here's the front house, and that has two hoppers. Go back. Are we still good on time with the video?
6 minutes.
Good. Okay.
You don't have to show it.
So for more information, give me a call at 321-604-1151. That's 321-604-1151. And let me see if this is where the little guys are. Oh, there's one, yes. In one of these free-range houses, here we have the little free-range guys. And basically, they come in as little babies, and they're raised here, and then they're sold off, and they produce free-range chicken eggs, and they become broiler hens. So we've got roosters and chickens. So for more information, send me an email through YouTube, or you can contact me at 321-604-1151 for this 183-acre chicken farm located on State Road 100 in Starke, Florida. Thanks.